Did you know that 75% of Excel users don't even know about the let and lambda functions that were introduced in the latest Excel update? These two game-changing functions can revolutionize the way you work with data, but most of us are still using outdated methods. By the end of this video, you'll be able to master let and lambda and unlock new levels of productivity in your spreadsheets. Let's start with let. This function is all about simplifying your formulas by reducing nested calculations and making them easier to understand. Imagine you're working on a budget spreadsheet and you need to calculate the total monthly expenses based on various categories. With let, you can break down the formula into smaller, manageable chunks like this. Let total underscore expenses, expenses underscore category 1 plus expenses underscore category 2 plus expenses underscore category 3, monthly expenses. To use let, you'll need to provide three arguments: the name of the variable, the